Hi everyone, welcome to our project kickoff meeting, and thank you all for your time and attendance. And today, as you all know, that I'm going to give a project proposal on the smart tea vending machine with mobile apps connectivity. As we all know, working in this company, that Starbucks is really strong in the coffee industry. As we have already had over 28 retail stores across 77 countries. That is a huge market, and we have a lot of employees. What we need to think about is how to keep increasing revenue and how to keep a steady stock price and how to keep our shareholders confident in our company. As we have a lot of product now, like coffee, tea, snack, fresh food to consumer products. We try to attract our customers from all the sides when they come to our store and they think about what to order, what to buy, and what to contribute the revenue to us. So let's look at the current situation. Last year, we have a revenue of over 22 billion. That is a great number, as our competitors such as Dunkin' Donuts and Peet's Coffee has only over 8 million US dollars, and the Costa Coffee have around like 1.2 billion US dollars. So we're definitely the top one in coffee industry. But look at the stock price. For the last 10 years, it's pretty organic, increasing, as from 2008, we have only like 10 US dollars price to currently we have like around 60 US dollars. That's like 6 times. But if we look at for the past 3 years, it's kind of like stuck between the range of 50 to 60 dollars all the time, like waving up and down, and there's not much growth. And people are thinking, is Starbucks stuck, or will it increase again or start to decrease? So we definitely need the fresh blood for the product, and we need new ideas. Come back to our product. Currently, we have 2 types of customers when they come to our store. People who like coffee and people who like tea. As there are already a lot of competitors in the coffee market, and we've been pretty leading in this market, we can think about more attentions on the tea product. So that's why I brought this project to you today. The feature of this project is it has a mobile apps connectivity. So the customers can order online and choose which tea he or she like, what time he or she will arrive, and what store he or she want to come to pick up. But why do we propose to order the tea online? As you know that coffee and tea are kind of different. When we make a fresh brewed coffee, we can set it up there for like 1 hour in a optimal temperature for drink. And when the customer come, we can just mix everything and provide customer grab and can just drink immediately. But for tea, you have to make it immediately when he or she orders. And in order to get the best infusion of the tea taste, the water has to be really hot. And when the customer grab the tea and wanna drink it, super hot, hurt his tongue, and wow, there. So it's not a good experience for the customer. But if he or she can order in advance and choose, for example, I wanna come to pick up like 30 minutes after, then the vending machine get the order and we'll start to prepare 5 minutes before the pickup time. Have the tea, have the water, set up in the best infusion and cool down the temperature to the optimal drinkable temperature. And when the customer come, pay the order, grab it. Cool, perfect. So that's why I want to bring this building mobile apps connectivity function into the vending machine. So what is the benefit for us? First, we have retail stores everywhere. It's very easy to open this market. Secondly, we have a very well-known market that customers like to have a try of our product. They have confidence in us, like we will make good coffee, we will make good tea, that it's worth trying. Last but not least, the tea products has already been sold in our stores. So we don't need extra logistic, we don't need extra third vendors to develop new tea product. We can just use our current tea and our warehouse. So we don't need a lot of time on providing the raw materials or open up new branches for setting up the vending machine. We can just put them in our current retail stores. What is more important? Time. Time is really important in the current world, especially it's so fast speed developing. Everyone want to save their time. Everyone want to get their service and their satisfaction immediately. Saving customers' times also help us to gain the reputation and the revenue. Last but not least, it matches our culture. Innovation is really important in the current world. We need to have new product all the time. We need to have we need to attract the new attentions from the customers all the time. And as a result, we can have growing revenues, and we can have bigger markets, and we can have more confidence from our shareholders. So let's have a general overview of this project. First of all, we will need to determine the timeline from when to start, when to make progress, when to test, put into production, and when to close the project. First of all, I will need to work with Marsha on the financial part. We will need to think about the budget, like how much we need to spend, or how much we revenue increase expecting in like how long, what the time frame it is. All of the things I will discuss with Marsha and get a result. Secondly, I will discuss with our head of technology and planning of facility, who Paul and Michael, about what techniques we need to use, like the software platform, like the programming language, and like whatever the technical people need, I'll try to negotiate and provide the support. Then Michael and Paul will bring their teams working on the mobile apps design and bringing in, put this Wi-Fi built-in function into the vending machine. And by then, we will have a mature product that's ready to use. And then we can put the vending machine into the retail store, connect to all the pipelines, and push the mobile apps into the market, and check the customers come to in-store. And after that, we can collect the service. We can ask them, what do you think of these apps? And what do you think of this new feature? What do you think of our company have this product will help us? After that, the last thing is the project review. We will have internal review, which is to have a discussion with all of you on what side we've missed and what mistake we might have, and which part we can work better the next time. And then we close the project, and cool. That is the whole plan for today. And thank you all for your attention on this presentation. And if there's any questions, and we have time later for the discussion, and just to for your reference, this will be all of the people involved in this project. And that's all. Thank you all. And any questions?